we'll be starting the descriptive statistics. The definition of descriptive statistics is saying that descriptive statistics are used to describe or summarize the characteristics of a sample or data set, such as variables mean, standard deviation, or frequency. So from that definition or the characteristics of descriptive statistics, we can say that you can get to know about the characteristics of a particular variable from descriptive statistics. Like if we do the descriptive statistics of our demographic profile of the respondents, here we'll get the percentage, how many male and females were there, and what was the percentage. If we do the analysis of our variables, here we'll get to know about
আমি তো এই যে কলেজে যাব রেডি হচ্ছি, আপনার কি খবর? আমি তো 10 তারিখে
about the mean value, the standard deviation, or the mode and median. To make it clear, here we are giving you an example. So just look at this picture. Are they familiar to you? I think both of them are familiar to you.
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
So the first picture is a Bangladeshi cricketer named Sabir Hossain, and the second one is Virat Kohli, an Indian batsman. So just look at the bowling career summary of Sabir Hossain. It is showing that, just look at the economy. Left everything, just look at the economy. It is showing that in test his economy is 2.98, and in ODI his economy is 4.44. So what does it mean? It means that in each over he delivers 6 balls. In test he consumes 3 runs in 6 balls, I mean in over, and in ODI he consumes almost 4.4 runs in a over, I mean in 6 balls. So the similar thing, just look at the batting career summary of Virat Kohli. Just look at the average. The average is showing that in test his average is 49.96, which is, I mean, almost 50. In ODI his average is 58.07, and in T20 his average is 51.5. So it is showing that in each innings he scores in test 49.96 in average. In ODI he scores 58.07 runs in each innings, and in T20 he has scored 51.5 runs in each innings. Okay, so, and if you look at the strike rate is also showing that after playing 100 balls he scores 55.7. In ODI he has scored 92.92. In T20 he scored 137.68. And this is the descriptive and statistics, because just look at the average economy of Sabir Hossain. It is showing that 2.98, which is good, really good. So from that we can say that he is a good bowler, and after observing the average of Virat Kohli we can say that he is a good batsman. So this is all about descriptive statistics. Now we will be doing So for demographic profile, okay, for descriptive analysis, just click on analyze. There is a option in the middle named analyze. Click on that. There is option, the second number option, descriptive statistics. Now we will check the frequency of our demographic profile. Just click on frequency, select gender and age, select that, click on statistics. Okay, is all right. Chart, you can take the histogram, pie chart, anything. Okay, bar chart, anything. Let's go with the bar chart. And then just click on percentage. You will get both frequency and percentage, both. So if you feels like to take that, you can continue, format. Okay, no need to select anything. Continue, style, everything is okay. And now just click on OK. So here we got the value. So if you can remember, in our when we did the descriptive analysis for cleaning data, there were 21. I mean, total respondents number was 201. But now, so 202, and now this is 201 because there was a missing value. We have deleted that, if you can remember. So here is the frequency table of gender. You have to focus on the frequency and percentage. You don't, I mean, worry about that very percentage and percent and cumulative percent. We don't require this thing. We can go with the frequency and percentage. So we can see that out of 201 respondents, 62 were female, and their percentage is 30.8 among the entire population, out of entire population. And the frequency of the male is 139. I mean, in our respondents, there were 139 male, and their percentage is 69.2. So total 201, total percentage 100. And let's look at the frequency of the age group. Here there are 4 categories. The first one is 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 45 and above. So there were 112 respondents who belong to the age group of 18 to 24. Their percentage is 55.7. Similarly, 59 respondents were from 25 to 35 years, 34 years. Their percentage is 29.4. And 22 respondents were from 35 to 44 years old, and their percentage is 10.9. And only 8 respondents were found who belong to the age group 45 and above, and their percentage is 4. The total number is 201, percentage is 100. Now, here is the bar chart. So you can, if you click on pie chart, you will get the pie chart. If you click on histogram, you can get the figure of histogram as well. But those will consume your space in articles, and researcher and the editor, they don't encourage to use that bar chart. So here we can see that the male percentage was is activated. Okay. It was more than the female. Similar like that. The frequency bar chart of the age group is showing that most of the people, they belong to the age group of 18 to 24, then 25 to 34, then 35 to 44, 44 and above. So you can use this thing while analyzing the demographic profile of your respondents. Now we will analyze our variables. So click analyze, then again descriptive statistics. Now we will be doing the descriptive statistics of the variables. Here you can see that there is no gender or age, because we have considered those things as the nominal data. That's why those are the ordinal data, and we will do our descriptive analysis based on the let's exclude ID from here. Just press Control. Press Control A. Select all the variables and put it in the right. In option, you can click on any option. So I think now it will be showing mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. So here you will get the idea, get the value of characteristics and skewness as well. We won't be doing it right now. We will be doing it later. Style is okay. Just click on OK. Here is the descriptive statistics. Okay. So for the first item, the mean value is 4, standard deviation is 1.093. Similar like item number 2, 3, the item number service quality 1, 2, 3. So here is the mean value and the standard deviation value. So you can use in your articles, because I have seen a few articles who analyze the data, who just complete the analysis part with the descriptive statistics, because there is a particular equation, like they make the difference in 5-point Likert scale on the basis of 0.80. So that is different thing. So I think till now, okay, descriptive statistics, is there any question regarding that? Dear audience, is there any question regarding descriptive analysis?
No, sir. But I would like to ask about how you make this factor like SQ1. It's from your questionnaires, right? It's
Okay.
directly from the questionnaires.
How I made the factor. Okay.
Yeah.
That is for developing the questionnaire, for developing the variable. First of all, you have to do the literature review. From the previous article, you can just get the variable, and in quality article, whether it is amiral or Elsevier, you will get in the appendix section or in the analysis section, they just put the measurement scale. They mention about the measurement scale, like which statements they consider they took for collecting data. So those are the developed measurement scale, and you can adapt it from those people. You can adopt and adapt. The difference between adopting and adapting is if you take direct questionnaire, I mean,
Quantitative.
yeah, yes, quantitative. I'm just talking about their quantitative questionnaire. If you take those things in your article, so it will be adopting, and if you just making little bit changes according to article, so it will be adopted. Okay, so from the developed measurement scale, you can get all those items. If you want, I will be showing you, but not now actually. Whenever I will get time,
Okay,
the break time,
okay,
I will download the article and will show you.
okay. Thank you so much for your explanation.